this question tell you that if g is some function from reals to real, right, from real number to real numbers, and it is also given to be a twice differentiable function, then they are asking if function f of xy, which is defined to be g of y plus x g dash y, then which among these four is correct here, right? So what you are to do, you are to calculate these three quantities, del f upon del x, then you are to calculate del f upon del y, and then you are to calculate this double derivative. And if you calculate all these things, so you will be able to judge which of these among these four is correct. So here our function is f of xy, which is given to be g of y plus x g dash y. So here when you take the partial derivative of this function with respect to x, now this quantity is depending upon only on y, so this would be 0, plus here we have x in this term is solely dependent on y. So we have the derivative as 1 into g dash y. So this is g dash y. Then let's look at the partial derivative of f with respect to y. With respect to y, firstly you will perform the derivative here with respect to g. Okay, so here first of all we'll calculate the partial derivative of f with respect to y. So it would be y g dash y, right? Y dash because it is the complete derivative, because g is a function of y only. Okay, and in the second term x would be as such, and then the derivative of g dash again with respect to y would be g double dash. And when you take the partial derivative with respect to x of del f upon del y, now notice here the order of differentiation. The order, firstly the differentiation has been performed with respect to y and then with respect to x, because it could be written like this. So that means we are to take the partial derivative with respect to x of the quantity del f upon del y. Now del f upon del y is this thing, so you have g dash y plus x g double dash y. So its partial derivative, for the first term it would be 0, for the second term it would be 1 into g double dash y. So this thing is equal to g double dash y here. So accordingly, if you try to fit all these quantities, so you can see, you can write del f upon del y here as equal to, instead of g of y, you can write del f upon del x, plus instead of x would be x, and instead of g double dash y, you can write del to f upon del x del y. So you obtain this quantity equal to this quantity. So let's have a look at our options. So from here you can see that this option is incorrect, this is incorrect. Among these two, if you look at these two quantities here, we have x here, so this option is correct, and we have y here, so this is incorrect. So we obtain option C here as the correct option.